Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the course of WordPress. So basically in this class I will show you how to make your website rank when it comes to the Google search console. So if suppose I'm coming over here and like if I'm just typing out something, then I'm getting these results. Okay, so these are some of the websites which are getting ranked over here. Okay, so in order to make your website rank over here, whenever anyone is searching for any content that is related to your or niche or related to the articles which are written by you on your website, then you should submit your sitemap to the Google. Okay, so in order to do that, we will be making use of a plugin known as Google Sitekit. So let me just do Google Sitekit. Just search for this plugin over here. Okay, so this is that particular plugin which we will be making use of. Just install this plugin. As long as you people are not submitting your Google this sitemap of your website to Google console, your website won't be getting ranked over here. Okay, so just make sure that you are installing this plugin, and I will exactly show you guys the process how to do this. So this is one of the essential step which is required in order to make your website rank over there. Okay, so after that you have to just click on activate, and just click on this start setup. Okay, so this is how the process will go on. Click on sign in with Google. So basically my website is associated with this particular Gmail account, so I will select this account. Click on allow, click on allow, then come down below, click on allow. So basically this is all about the giving necessary permissions to this particular plugin so that it is verifying. So click on proceed. Okay, so as can be seen, our first step is complete. So this is basically the verification of your domain name, and now this is the second step. And third is add site. So this is the final step over here. Okay, so now the process has been completed. So before introduction of this Google Sitekit, the process was very tedious. You just have to go remove the sitemap from the Yoast SEO plugin, then you have to submit it to the Google's site console, and that was a tedious process. But because of this plugin, everything has been made simple. So now let's just go to the dashboard. Okay, so over here you will get that tab of Google Sitekit. Just click on that, and all the details of your Google's Sitekit and your website will be displayed over here. Okay, so how your website is doing, how many visitors you are getting, what pages are visited by the visitors on your website, all that all the statistics will be shown to you under this tab. Okay, so let's just go to the search console. Okay, so over here you will see the required details about your website, but since we have installed this plugin just now, so data is not available. But at least after 2 to 3 days you will start seeing the results over here, and this is the settings tab. So if you want to change any settings and all, then you can do that from this tab. So as of now there is nothing you have to be doing over here. Okay, so just go to the dashboard, and where is that stuff? Let's just go to the settings. I think it is inside of the settings. Okay, so when it comes to these services, you can add your AdSense account, then analytics account over here, and here's some of the other options which are given. So if you want to show the Google AdSense account, then you have to just set up your AdSense account. But make note of one thing, guys, that if you want to show the advertisements from the Google AdSense on your website, then you have to take a permission from them, and in order to get your website approved to show advertisements, there should be at least some post on your website. As long as there are not at least around 10 posts which are posted by you on your website, don't request for approval from the Google AdSense, because if your website is new and if there are no posts, nothing is there, if your website is brand new and you are asking for permission from the AdSense, they will not give you permissions. Okay, so just make sure that there is at least some content on your website. So what you can do is you can make use of the WP automatic plugin in order to throw some post on your website. Okay, so this will at least give you some uh, like some post. Okay, so it basically throws a post on your website automatically. So just go and view the tutorials about the WP automatic, how things are working over here. Okay, you can even connect the analytics so that you are seeing the data about how many number of the visitors are visiting your website, what data they are referring. Okay, so all that analytical data you can see with the help of the Google Analytics. You can even join this account as well. Okay, so thanks for watching. This was all about how to make your website rank on the Google Search Console with the help of the Google Sitekit. Thanks for watching.